Every dog begins life the same way, hidden safely inside its mother. For about 2 months, the mother dog carries her puppies, slowly growing heavier as new lives develop inside her. As the time of birth approaches, she searches for a quiet and safe place. One by one, cute and adorable puppies are born. Blind, helpless, and completely dependent on her warmth. In the first place, she rarely leaves their side, feeding and protecting them. As months pass, the puppies tend to walk, play,
the highs and lows, you never stray.
Grow into adulthood
Your own special way,
1 year.
bright in my
But
day.
with good care, love,
Love is
and
pure,
proper
your
food,
heart's so true.
many
No one else
dogs
could ever do
between
what
10
you
and 15
do.
years, some even longer.
You're my best friend, my loyal guide.
Adorable
In
behavior,
every storm, you're on my side.
very cute.
When I'm feeling down, you're my light. You bring me joy, make everything right. You know world feels heavy and I can't stand. You lift me up with a gentle hand. With every thought and playfully, you keep my heart, my soul, my spirit deep. You're my best friend, my Lord.